All right, last year, Idahoans raised more than $500,000 for nonprofits in a single day. Idaho Gives is a 24-hour online donation drive. This year, organizers are trying to break that record, and it starts right now. Ann Johnson is from Idaho Gives. Thanks for waking up so early with us.
Sure.
And how easy is it for people to help out?
It is so easy. All they have to do is go to idahogives.org and check out the over 600 causes that are listed there and click on Donate Now.
And this is the second year of it. And talk about the award pool. So your causes, if you have a particular one that you'd like to back, could receive an extra $1,000 from a simple donation.
Absolutely. There, you just pick your donation, and your name goes into a pool to draw your name, and that cause that you donate to could win up to $1,000.
All right, and talk about in downtown Coeur d'Alene, nonprofits could be, designated by ribbons that people could see downtown as well.
Exactly. Downtown on Northwest Boulevard in Coeur d'Alene, there's a fence line in front of Coeur d'Alene homes, and every donation that's made today to a Kootenai County nonprofit will be recognized with a ribbon.
All right, so the second year, and where did this all come from, the idea for Idaho Gives?
It started, I think, in Minnesota. They did it about 5 years ago and raised over $1 million their first year. Now they're up to like $7 million, and our goal is $750,000. We'll get to $1 million one of these days.
Yeah, that's still would be a pretty good jump.
Huge.
How are you? What do you think about the awareness so far, and how you guys plan to take this in the future?
Oh, the awareness is growing, and I think every year it'll grow more and more. I'm privileged to be a board member of the Idaho Nonprofit Center based in Boise, but their goal is to create awareness, resources, and education for nonprofits.
All right, you can go to idahogives.org, correct?
Correct.
And you can also find the information by going to our website, kxly.com. Just look under the News Links tab, and you can see a full list of the charities and causes. We wish you best of luck, and we'll be back with more Good Morning Northwest right after this.
How do we top KXLY4's last gas and grocery giveaway?